If AI gives you the answer immediately, you may finish faster and learn almost nothing. Here is a better way to use AI. Make it teach you, question you, and then prove that you can solve the problem without it. Neural made simple. In the next few minutes, you will learn a 5-step method for learning almost any topic with AI without outsourcing your thinking. We will use compound interest as a real example. The common approach is to paste a question and ask for the final answer. That can complete an assignment, but it hides the exact point where your understanding breaks. Step 1. Tell the AI your level, your goal, and what you already understand. For example, I am a beginner. I understand percentages, but not compound interest. Help me learn it well enough to explain it myself. Step 2. Ask for one small explanation and one question at a time. In ChatGPT, study mode is designed for this kind of guided learning. You can also use the tutor prompt shown here in a normal conversation. Step 3. Answer before asking for help. If $100 grows by 10%, after 1 year it becomes 110. Before revealing year 2, predict it. The new 10% applies to 110, not the original 100. Step 4. Ask the AI to diagnose your mistake, not simply replace your answer. A useful tutor identifies the wrong assumption, gives a small hint, and lets you try again. Step 5. Close the chat and prove that you learned. Explain the idea in your own words, solve a new example, and name one real situation where it applies. If you cannot do those 3 things, continue practicing. Copy this tutor prompt. Teach me this topic without giving the final answer first. Ask what I already know. Explain one small step at a time. Give me one question, wait for my answer, identify my mistake, and ask me to explain the idea back in my own words. The method is simple. Define your level, learn in small steps, attempt before hints, correct the misunderstanding, and prove the skill without AI. Use AI as a tutor, not a replacement for thinking. Subscribe to Neural Made Simple for practical AI skills you can use.